Alright guys, we got our Serpent out, doing some chicken wrangling. This is our 1/8 scale. We put some new tires on, I just glued them. I probably should have waited a little longer, but I can't. I'm having too much fun. We got our 1/8, I think the Red Spider. I'll put a link in the description. This guy's running our CNHL 2S's, 9,000 mAh. And these chickens are getting too close to the road. One of them crossed the other day, so I gotta start paying more attention. It's only the girls that cross the road. The boys, try and keep them over here. Anyway, this thing's awesome. Started to clean up the track today. Had a beautiful day today. We're gonna replace this front porch this summer. Materials are coming tomorrow, so I'm just having some fun while I can. I don't want to beat up the tires too much. Let's see what I got the throttle at. Yeah, I'm only at 50. Awesome car. Thanks to my buddy Brent. This was a trade for, you've probably seen our boomerang build. That was one of the rigs we traded with it. Awesome. Glad to have friends that's cool. Well, let's go check out the track, see how bad it is. Putting a windshield in my daughter's car tomorrow. All kinds of fun stuff. See, the wind kind of got to the track a little. Oh, it's such a nice car. I'm not sure how long this battery's gonna run. And I'm not sure how jinky the camera is. I got some new mounts coming. I kind of broke the one that was there. Oh. But no time like the present, right guys? I'll probably fast forward me monkeying around with this. I think I got an idea how we're gonna do it. I don't know if you noticed, we took the jump out over there. Ooh, didn't even care. Last time we were running her, it was pretty cold out, so the plastics had some problems. Probably gonna rearrange a lot of these jumps. We're gonna put a jump right here. I'm not sure what I'm videoing. Hopefully it's not pointed at the ground or nothing, because that would be bad. All right. Such a great car. Hey, now I can control a little better. Two-hander. Tires are awesome. Those big monster truck tires are cool. Now I still have the hot racing extenders on this guy. Give it a little extra wheelbase. Huh. And the battery died. I knew it was close, guys. We were running this in the cold the other day, but I wanted to drain it the rest of the way before we charged it. Okay, there we go. Back in, back in. All right, let's do this. Couple laps, that's all we're looking for. Great car, just feels right, hooks up like an LT. Now I think this is based on a Kyosho design, I could be wrong. Gotta find some good lines for it. Ooh, it's a little nose heavy. Awesome though. Ooh. Don't hit the brake while you're in the air. That's what happens. Again, I'm learning the wheel spin. These are brand new tires. You see the batteries. CNHL's hooking us up again. They always do. Great, great company. They fix the problems if you have them. haven't known anybody really have any problems. That's better. A little extra gas. Keep following through. Just let go when you come off. Yeah, that'll level it off. Man, this stuff's crunchy from the winter. You gotta get some new ones. What's going on here? Oh, stick. Now I did take the blower to this whole area earlier when the rugs were completely off. I got some chickens following me. Wheelin'! That's 13 tooth pinion. Tires are awesome. Hopefully I'm not wrecking the glue job I did. So this is the second run. There's probably half-hour run time on this already. First time with the big tires. I haven't charged yet. Ooh. Hey! 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 See, those are the three. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Go on! I'll train him. A little nose heavy. I'll have to do something about that. I think that might be partially shock. See how it keeps the nose diving? So we'll have to figure that out. We'll find something. We'll find a way to fix that. Great car though. A lot of fun. Can't wait till we get the dirt track this summer and go to town with it. Pretty amazed how long this battery lasts. Pretty sweet rig. Ah! I'm trying to do that. There you go. Stay over there. Ooh. Ooh, I don't want to get that twisted up in there. Two more over there. Pretty sweet, guys. I think we're done for now. It's got to be at least half charged, so it's okay to put them away. So like and subscribe, guys, and hopefully soon we'll be seeing the next. We'll get a speed run out. But man, that thing's a monster. This runs good.
Games to cause the fly. control, get set to drive. RC thrills, we're on the chase. Touring rides. Plastic cars and gadgets new. Ready to survive, it's all for you. Fast and fun, we make it last. At right place, good times blast. Right place, for the action live. Remote controls, get set to drive. RC thrills, we're on the chase. Touring the ride, it's right place. Stay tuned for more. For Terrence Slate to A up to me. Moments for shame.